Hi again. In this video, we'll show you how to manually grant course access to hundreds or even thousands of students using their email addresses. To get started, go to the My Courses page. Select the course you want by clicking on its title. Then open the Manually Invite Attendees tab. Click Add Attendees. Here, you can invite even thousands of students at once by simply adding their email addresses. Copy the emails from a CSV file or any other comma-separated list and paste them into this field. Optionally, you can configure SMTP with your email provider to send invitation notification emails to the students. You can also set an expiration date for course access. Once everything is ready, click Save and Proceed. The import will run in the background and may take some time. You can close this tab and come back later. After that, you can review the list of imported students. You can also visit the student's dashboard to track their learning progress. This feature is especially useful when moving to Shopify from another platform. Our team can help migrate your courses, students, and other relevant data at no extra cost. Use the link in the description to learn more and request a migration. All the best, and see you in the next tutorial.